Wait till the end because the 2026 Nissan Sentra is not what you expect. This new model brings a fresh design, smarter interior, smoother performance, and a price that may surprise you. You're watching AM Automotive, and let's dive into the details. The 2026 Nissan Sentra comes with a bold new exterior that instantly feels more premium and sporty. The front design has been refreshed with a sharper V-motion grille, redesigned LED headlights, and cleaner body lines that give the car a more confident road presence. From the side, the Sentra looks longer and more planted, while the new alloy wheel designs add a modern and upscale feel. At the rear, updated LED taillights and subtle styling changes complete the look, making this sedan feel more mature and stylish than previous generation. Inside the cabin, Nissan has clearly focused on comfort and technology. The interior of the 2026 Sentra feels more refined with improved materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a cleaner dashboard layout. The new digital instrument cluster gives the driver clear and modern information, while the larger infotainment screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are more comfortable for long drives, offering better support and cushioning. Rear passengers also benefit from good legroom and headroom, making this car practical for families and daily commuting. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Nissan Sentra is designed for smooth and efficient driving. The engine has been refined to deliver better fuel efficiency and quieter operation, especially in city traffic. The CVT transmission feels more responsive and smoother than before, making acceleration feel natural. Steering is light and easy, perfect for urban driving, while the suspension handles bumps confidently, offering a comfortable and stable ride on highways as well. Safety is a major highlight of the new Sentra. Nissan includes advanced driver assistance features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features make daily driving safer and give drivers extra confidence on the road. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Nissan Sentra is expected to be priced very competitively in the compact sedan segment. While exact prices depend on the market, Nissan aims to offer excellent value by combining modern design, advanced technology, strong safety features, and low running costs. This makes the Sentra an ideal choice for buyers looking for a reliable, stylish, and fuel-efficient sedan in 2026. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Sentra proves that compact sedans are still relevant. With its refreshed exterior, comfortable interior, smooth performance, and smart pricing, this car delivers a balanced package for modern drivers. If you're looking for a daily driver that feels premium without a premium price tag, the new Nissan Sentra deserves your attention.